What's the meaning of company? Company. Company.
Company. Company. A company is a legal entity that is typically formed by individuals or groups of people to engage in a variety of business activities. It is designed to generate income and profit by producing goods or services that are valuable to customers. A company is separate from its owners and has its own legal identity and liability for its actions. It can be structured in different ways, such as a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Companies play a crucial role in driving economic growth, providing employment opportunities, and contributing to society in various ways.